We just enjoyed the start of the new year, and now we are back in the office already getting hit with our very first tax deadline. What is this tax deadline? 1099s. If your company paid a contractor, vendor, or freelancer $600 or more in 2024, you're responsible for sending them a 1099. This 1099 deadline is rapidly approaching, though, and is January 31st. So the question is, who actually gets a 1099? There are a slew of misconceptions when it comes to 1099s, specifically for digital businesses. And I wanted to cover a few of these today to help you not only stay proactive, but compliant with your tax filings. So misconception number one, I need to send a 1099 to any vendor that I paid via a credit card. Fact, credit card companies that process payments for vendors actually send them their 1099s. They aggregate all of the payments from each of the customers throughout the year into one 1099 that's consolidated for ease of reporting. Number two, PayPal friends and family and business accounts will both send 1099s. Fact, friends and family PayPal accounts do not send any 1099s. So if you want to reap the benefits of those tax deductions, it's your responsibility to go in and send the 1099s. On the flip side, PayPal business accounts only send 1099s to recipients that have received $5,000 or more. So if you want to take the tax benefit for any vendor that received $600 to $4,999, you also need to send them a 1099. And number three, everybody that I pay receives a 1099. Fact, only specific type of entities receive 1099s. And it's also important to note that you know the type of 1099 to send each of these vendors. So how can you make sure that you stay on top of your 1099s throughout the year so that you're not doing the fire drill at the end of the year? Here are 4 things that you can implement that will help 1099s be easier as you approach the filing deadline. Number 1, don't send a payment to a vendor without first receiving their W-9. Number 2, set up full vendor profiles in your accounting software so that it will track the payments and the type of 1099 that each vendor should receive. Number 3, do a mid-year review. This helps you stay on track and make sure that you don't miss anything that you may have throughout the year. And number 4, if you have a foreign vendor, know if you need to do backup withholding for them throughout the year so that you're prepared as the end of the year comes. 1099s don't have to be a mess if you know who you're supposed to send them to and you keep good data and records for them throughout the year.